Hello friends, today we are going to solve the English workshop of the 1.5, that is his first flight. See, various questions are given. We will start with the question number first, that is state whether the following statement are true or false. If you haven't seen the previous video which I had made regarding this story, please see that video previously so that you can answer the questions. See, the question number A is given as the young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wings. This sentence is true as stated in the story. The next question is given as the young seagull parents guided and improved his sibling in the art of flying. It is also true because it is described in a very good way. The next one is when the young seagull pretended to be falling asleep, his parent noticed him. No, this is a false sentence because when the young seagull parents guided and improved the sibling the art of flying, the seagull don't tried yet. That's why when the young seagull pretended he is falling asleep, his parents don't notice him. Then next option is given as the whole flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. This is also a false because the mother seagull don't dropped a piece of fish into his beak. Why? Because she wanted to see flying seagull, not a seagull which is dependent on his mother or father for his feeding. In this way, the next question is given regarding complete the following sentences. We have to complete these following sentences about the seagull. The seagull was afraid to fly because, why he was afraid to fly? Because he don't think that he had ability to fly or ability to do these activities like this one. Then another one is young birds are afraid to make their first flight because, see, the next question is given about young birds are afraid to make their first flight because they don't have any practice. They don't have any practice and lack of confidence. And they have lack of confidence. Okay, in this way we can write it down. The next question is human beings find it difficult to face great challenges because they are not sure for success. Everybody want to become successful, but for the first time when we have to focus or when we have to go through some challenges, the people doubts on oneself about whether they will got success or not. Then they have no confidence and they don't have the experience also. Then see, the next question is given. Read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentence of your own. In this given activity, we had given our various words and we should have to complete or make a sentence by oneself. See, the given word is plentifully. What is meant by plentifully? Plentifully means mournfully. Mournfully you can use like this. They plentifully announced that we have lost our 20 soldiers in the attack by China. Okay. Then the next question is beckon. What is meant by beckon? Beckon means to call by gesture, is called as beckon. My mother were beckoning. What is meant by beckoning? Beckoning me to cook. Next one word is given as whet. Whet means sharpen. Whet means sharpen. Before cutting meat into pieces, the butcher whets his chopper. The given another word is monstrous. Monstrous means shocking. If you are at a shocking position, you use this word. We were terribly frightened when we saw monstrous animal. Okay. Then next word is given as curveting. It is meant by leaping like a horse. The eagle was curveting to land onto the ground to catch his prey. The next word is given as soar. Soar means to fly. We cannot soar as like bird. Okay. Now we will take the next question, that is, read the following words carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing the words given in the brackets. Various words are given in the brackets. We have to choose the correct word. The question is given as Arun is full of cowardice. The next one, see, the violin played very shrilly. Very shrilly must be the answer. Next one is Ravi said, are you really dash dash of the dark? When we said anybody about the darkness, we will use the word afraid. Are you really afraid of the dark? Okay, that's why here afraid will come. The next word is the whole village dash dash into darkness. What is the word you can use here? The word is plunged. The next sentence is given as the lions dash dash their prey hungrily. The lions devote their prey very hungrily. Devourred. The next one is he dash dash through the report. He skimmed through the report. The next question is given as one by one the star dash dash in the sky. One by one the star appeared in the sky. In this way, we have solved the fourth question. Fifth question is given about read about the space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you are going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 interview questions regarding the questions you have to set regarding her life and training, her education, her actual flight into space, her future plans, her message to viewers in this way. So, I have framed 10 to 12 questions regarding. See, the questions are: could you please tell me about your birthplace and family? The next question will be asked like, where did you spend your early life? The next question will be asked like, when did you start your training? Fourth question, where did you get your early training? What about educational qualification? When did you actually take flight in the space? Please tell me about your experience at NASA. What are your future plans? What is your opinion about women who wish to start a space mission? What advice would you give to young women about career? In this way, we can design questions. Now, we will see the next question. The question is about describing in your notebook the challenges you faced while learning to ride a bicycle or swimming or any skill. Take hints from the web and complete your write-up. Various hints are given, that is learning a bicycle, challenges you have to face like confidence, risk, daring, fear. You have to utilize it to make your own experience. See, when we when we try to learn any new skill, we got challenges regarding it. But if you thought whether about the challenges too much, you will give up early. But you should not give up early. You can stay focused. See, challenges while learning bicycle are like, it is not easy to learn or master the skill in one day. It may be cycling or swimming or any other skill, whichever you want to learn. Let us consider learning a bicycle. The first thing and the important one is daring to accept the challenges. One cannot learn cycling without someone's help. My brother helped me to increase my confidence and he encouraged me. There is a risk of falling down. I fell down twice, but my mother consoled me and encouraged me. I am daring boy. So I dared and learned balancing. There was no fear in my mind. Within 8 days, I started cycling alone. Here is the one boy stating his confidence or challenges while learning the bicycle. In this way, you can also design your own experience. In this way, we have completed our workshop section. In the next video, we will complete our language studies section, that is what is meant by homophones, homographs, some important activities regarding homophone and homograph, and like verb, what is meant by adverb, adjective, and the manner and the passive. Various things we will learn in our next video. So stay tuned and please don't forget to comment in the comment box whether you like this video or not. Thank you.